Good morning again, YouTube. I got a request from my friend CJH1618 to make a video of some of my vacuums picking shit up off the floor. So I'll be using baking powder. Now, the reason that I do not use flour is because it really eats up the motor bearings, so that I will not be doing, but I can use baking powder. A little less harsh on the motor bearings. Because remember, these are direct air. Everything you suck up does get past the motor, and if it's fine particles, it can get into the motor. After those two, I got my Hoover convertible and my Eureka ESP, my favorite one, of course self-propelled. Then got a tough match. My Hoover Conquest versus my Royal Model 608. There's my cat. Crystal, what are you doing? I don't know, she's funny. I'll now dump this shit onto the carpet. Seems to be kind of stuck. Well, it's not the best demonstration, but I'm using a Sony Handycam and I gotta make sure I have enough film and all that shit to get it all. I'll be starting with the SC899. The headlight does not work, but it does have the Vibra Groomer 1 in it. Alright, now time for the SC886. Again, I'm sorry I don't have much to work with right now, so hold on, let me move my cigarettes and my car keys off the floor. Alright, next up. Oop. I tripped over the Sanitaires wide track, the 899. Oh yeah, another thing about this 899 that I got on here. Dual purpose bag. I use it for a dump out, because personally I think the dump outs have much better suction. But you can put F&G bags in here too. Ew, dust came out. Or to dump it, just like any kind of shakeout bag, you just take the top clamp off. Actually, I think I'm going to use the Conquest next, and the Royal. The Royal I have not used in maybe 2 months. The last one was at when I lived with my now ex-girlfriend. So I got this from a vacuum shop, the same one I got my new Sanitaire from, the, I don't remember what the fuck the model number is, the one with the hose and everything. Sorry, I know I'm not the best cameraman in the world. Trying to plug in an outlet into my sunken living room, which I am just going to plug it in here. Don't know why I didn't. And I'd say between the two Sanitaires, it was pretty much a tie. They got them cleaned up at the same time and all that. So, shit, I might not be able to run the ESP and the convertible. I'll have to make a separate video of them because I'm running out of time on my SD card. And like I said, I know I'm not the best cameraman by far, and I know that I got a crappy camera. It's a Sony Handycam, I think. No, it's not. It's a Kodak EasyShare. I have a Handycam somewhere. Alright, anyway. Enough of hearing my boring, blobby voice. Smoker's voice. Jeez, this shit's really stuck in the can. Alright. Now, I have been having problems with my conquest. I do need to put a new power switch in it. First, I need to get one. Let me flatten this out a little bit more. So I had to press it like 100 times for it to work. Huh, worked on the first try this time. Smelling in there. Alright, now for the trusty old Royal. I need to adjust the height first. This has the infinite height screw thingy. Next, I am looking for a Royal Classic 4000. If any of you on YouTube have one that you want to sell, trade, whatever, let me know. I might be interested. But I will not trade my Eureka ESP, the blue one. I will not trade that or sell it for anything. Or my Sanitaire SC886 right here, the first one I ever had. And if you look on my first YouTube video, or second YouTube video, I tell the history of it. Alright, here we go with the Royal Model 608. 3 amp motor, but it's direct aired, so has a lot of suction. Here we go. Dead, so what? This has the original headlight in it. I got this from a guy on Craigslist. Oh yeah, another thing about this Royal. It's a dump out bag. I like that a lot better. But anyway, I got that from a guy off Craigslist from around here for 25 bucks. So I saw it on Craigslist. I called him and told him I'd be up to get it tomorrow. I would like to give it a polishing. And there's one thing I don't know about these things that I'd really like to know. If any of you fellow YouTubers can help me. Is there any way I could polish this to get a high shine like a Kirby? Also, speaking of Kirby's, I'm looking for a Kirby Sanitronic from the 1950s. If any of you guys have one that you want to get rid of, let me know. I've been looking for one to go with my Royal. Alright, guess that's everything for now because I don't have enough film or room on my SD card to do my ESP right now in my convertible, but they'll be coming up in another movie. Guess that's about it for now. I'm gonna go load this on my computer, then go outside, smoke a cigarette, and start my day. Thanks for watching.